Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, we're doing this FXR with fitting Hyperpro's new tubes because the old tubes are rusted and knackered and leaking. Now, a lot of time you have a job getting crud out the bottom of this. Okay, now the way I do it, I get a brush like this, sellotape it onto this, and when that's slid down, I think you can see in there, but basically this could get right down to the bottom. We can then spray brake cleaner in there, okay, and then we can get right in, get all the crap right out the bottom. So when it's done, it'll actually look like this. When you put your seals in, you want a proper seal driver. Don't use a piece of hose pipe or whatever. Buy the proper tool. Decent maker bushes. You know, these are decent storehouse fork sliders. Okay, decent seal kit, James, very good. Hyperpro springs, a massive upgrade as well. Okay, and these are hard chrome legs, very good quality legs as well. Okay, if you're going to do it right once. This particular bike, I do love it the way it is. It's rough looking, it's going to have amazing handling, but look, a bit of an old dog, which is perfect. These are original 88 forks, twin disc, and the bike, bit of a mess at the moment, but it will be done. If you're interested in any fork seals, rebuild kits, Hyperpro springs, proper oil, I recommend 40 weight in the FXRs and the older bikes, 10 to 15 in some of the newer bikes. So do be careful what oil you use, because the water that came out, and it was literally like water, must have been about a 10 weight they put in it. Okay, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.